great classic cars. The 1959 Chevrolet Impala is an iconic representation of American automotive design from the late 1950s. Its most striking feature is the expansive tail fins, which give it a distinctive and futuristic look. Complementing the tail fins are the prominent cat's eye taillights, a design unique to this model year. The car's low, wide stance and elongated body lines emphasize its sleek, aerodynamic profile. Under the hood, the Impala offered a range of powerful engines, including the robust V8 options that provided impressive performance. The interior of the 1959 Impala is equally notable, featuring luxurious upholstery, a stylish dashboard, and ample space, making it both comfortable and elegant. Available in coupe, convertible, and sedan variants, the 1959 Impala appealed to a broad audience. Its combination of bold aesthetics, powerful performance, and luxurious features has cemented its status as a beloved classic car, cherished by collectors and enthusiasts alike. The BMW 300, a compact and economical microcar, was produced between 1956 and 1962. Known as the BMW Isetta 300, it featured a distinctive bubble-like design with a front opening door, accommodating 2 passengers. Powered by a 298 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, 4-stroke engine, it delivered modest performance with a top speed of around 50 miles per hour. The Isetta 300's efficient fuel consumption made it a popular choice during the post-war era's fuel crisis. Despite its small size, it became an iconic vehicle, its most symbolizing innovative automotive design and economic mobility, and played a crucial role in BMW's financial recovery during the 1950s. The 1957 Volkswagen Beetle, affectionately known as the Bug, is an iconic car celebrated for its distinctive rounded shape and air-cooled, rear-mounted engine. This model featured a 1.2-liter flat-4 engine producing 36 horsepower, offering reliable and economical transportation. Renowned for its simplicity and durability, the 1957 Beetle became a symbol of post-war innovation and efficiency. Its spacious interior for its size and robust construction made it a favorite among drivers worldwide. The Beetle's timeless design and practical performance cemented its place in automotive history, contributing significantly to Volkswagen's enduring global success and reputation. The Ferrari 246 GTS, produced from 1972 to 1974, is a classic Italian sports car revered for its stunning design and performance. Known as the Dino, it featured a 2.4-liter V6 engine delivering 195 horsepower, allowing for a top speed of around 146 miles per hour. The KR175, produced by Messerschmitt from 1953 to 1955, is a distinctive microcar known for its bubble canopy and 3-wheeled design. Powered by a 173 cubic centimeters 2-stroke engine, it offered modest performance and exceptional fuel efficiency. The KR175's lightweight and compact design made it an ideal city car during post-war Europe's economic recovery. Its unique appearance and practical functionality have since made it a beloved classic among microcar enthusiasts. The Fiat 500D, produced from 1960 to 1965, is a beloved Italian city car known for its compact size and charm. Powered by a 499 cubic centimeters 2-cylinder engine, it delivered 17 horsepower, making it perfect for urban driving. The 500D featured a distinctive round shape, a fabric sunroof, and simple, functional interiors. Its affordability and fuel efficiency made it popular among post-war consumers. So here are some of the other notable cars. The all-stainless steel DeLorean Motors 12 produced in 1981. The Mercedes-Benz Mr. Slim refers to the Mercedes-Benz W114/W115 series. The Ford's Great Car Mustang. The Cadillac Eldorado Seville. The Cadillac Eldorado is a luxury car produced by Cadillac from 1953 to 2002. Known for its distinctive styling and powerful V8 engines, the Eldorado epitomized American automotive opulence, featuring advanced technology and lavish interiors. It became an icon of mid-20th century luxury and performance. The Cadillac Eldorado is probably one of the best luxury muscle car produced.